Let's say you bought 9 bags of candies for a party and you pay $34.65. After the party, you got some left over. So for the next time, you only want to buy 6 bags. How much is it for 6 bags? This is a very typical ratio question, and we're going to set up equation like this. 9 bags for $34.65 is equal to 6 bags for some X amount. And X here is price for 6 bags. Now what do we do? If we were to determine how much it was multiplied to get 6 from 9, you have to divide 6 by 9, which is 2/3. So 9 times 2/3 is equal to 6. You have to do the same thing. This is not a very simple calculation because you have to multiply a decimal number by a fraction and it gets all complicated. So in this case, what you want to do is you tilt this number, tilt that number, and use these semicolon as a slash and make it as a fraction like this. 9 over 34.65 is equal to, do the same thing here, 6 over x. And here comes the cross multiplication. You multiply these two numbers, and set them equal. So 9 times x is equal to 6 times 34.65. 9x is 207.5. Divide both sides by 9. X is equal to 23.1. And what is x here? It is price for 6 bags. So if you buy 6 bags, you will pay $23.10. There is another way to solve this. You bought 9 bags for $34.65. So if you get a price for 1 bag and then multiply that by 6, you will get a price for 6 bags. So 34.65 divided by 9 is 3.85. So for 1 bag is $3.85. Multiply that by 6, you should get $23.10. This is okay. You just have to take one more step to calculate it. You have to be able to do both ways. The key is to determine which one to choose depending on the problem. You're at a store and comparing cereal boxes. Between these two boxes, which one is the better buy? Before you jump in and try to calculate anything, let's look at these numbers. 32 is exactly the double of 16 ounce. And double of $3.50 is $7. $6.75 is 25 cents cheaper than $7. So in this case, this is cheaper. How about box 3 and 4? Box 3 is 16 ounce for $3.50. Box 4 is 30 ounce for $7. Again, $7 is double of $3.50. So the price is double, but then it contains less than the double. Double will be 32 ounce. So in this case, this is cheaper. For box 5 and 6, 16 ounce for $3.50. 30 ounce for $6.75. Both are little less than the double. The price is a little less than the double. The weight is a little less than the double. In this case, we'll calculate the price for 1 ounce for each box and compare those prices. So 16 ounce for $3.50. If we divide 3.50 by 16, then we'll get the price for 1 ounce for this box. That comes out to be 0.21875. And calculate the price for 1 ounce for this box. That is 6.75 divided by 30 ounce is 0.225 ounce. They're pretty close, but for 1 ounce, this is 0.2185, which is smaller than 0.225, so this one is cheaper. In this store, they sell the cereal in a big container, and they charge $4.20 per pound. LB here is short for pound. So you got a small bag, and you want to buy 1.5 pound of cereal. How much do you need to pay? Let's set that in the same ratio format. $4.20 for 1 pound is equal to some unknown amount for 1.5 pound. X here is price for 1.5 pound. Change that to a fraction. Tilt this, tilt that. 4.2 over 1 is equal to x over 1.5. Wait a minute, in the previous question, I set it as 9 bags for $34.65 is equal to 6 bags for X amount. Can I put the dollar amount first before the pound? Yes, we can, as long as we're consistent. If the dollar goes first, on this side, dollar has to be the first. If you want to put the pound first, let's change that. 1 pound for $4.20 is equal to, also the pound goes first, 1.5 pound for some X amount. Make these fraction. 1 over 4.2 is equal to 1.5 over X. Cross multiply. X is equal to 1.5 times 4.2. Let's cross multiply these two. X is equal to 4.2 times 1.5. These are the same equations. When you get used to it, you don't have to change that to fraction form. You can just multiply directly. I'll set another example. Let's put the pound to pound and price to price. So 1 pound to 1.5 pound is equal to, what's the price for 1 pound? $4.2 to price for 1.5 pound. Without setting those two fractions, you multiply these two numbers and set that equal to multiply these two numbers. So multiply them, multiply them. So 1 times x is equal to 1.5 times 4.2, which is same as this. So it doesn't matter which number to put first as long as you are consistent. Multiply these two numbers is equal to 6.3. And what is the x here? X is price for 1.5 pound of cereal. You will pay $6.30. The description of a paint can indicates that one can covers 250 square feet. If you have 1.5 cans of the same paint, how many square feet can you paint? Use a calculator for this problem. I will set 35 seconds. Begin.